In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best toilets in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which toilets is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5: 20-inch extra tall toilet. Extra high bathroom dish, 20 inches. Height top of seat, 21 inch. Strong steel manage as well as brand new generation dual flush system. Adds bathroom safety and security. Assists take a seat as well as stand a lot more conveniently. Assists avoid falls. High performance. Designed and also crafted by Convenient Elevation Company, Massachusetts. Approved by Board of Enrollment of Plumbers, CEC. May qualify for tax obligation reduction as clinical cost. Double flush valve 1.28 gal/full, 0.9 gal/light. Advanced packaging. Here is the item number 4, Toto MW44630446CUMG #01 Dual Flush Toilet. Washlet plus bidet seat and commode, specifically designed to hide the washlet water supply as well as power cord for smooth combination. Uter Plus is a secure and also powerful substance, cleaning up the wand and bowl after every usage. Dynamax Tornado Flush Twin Flush Innovation. Strongly as well as silently reaches every part of the bowl with 1.0 or 0.8 gallons per flush. Front as well as back cozy water cleaning with 5 adjustable temperature level, as well as pressure controls. Oscillating or pulsing stream choice. The item number 3, EUROTO One-Piece Dual Flush Toilet. EUROTO is the first one in the marketplace with a kick-to-open foot sensor to open the cover, and also seat at the same time for guy. The smart toilet includes beginning as you approach the bathroom. The cover automatically opens when approaching and close after utilizing. Backwash, front clean, continuous temperature cleaning, lady treatment laundry, strong wash, all-in-one option. Vibrating wash, massage therapy cleaning, flexible water pressure/temperature/cleaning setting with hygienic filtered water. Readjust water pressure automatically to ensure a great flushing result while the water stress is changing. Peaceful and effective siphonic 1.6 GPF/1.0 GPF twin flushing with ordinary 1.28 GPF brings a super quiet and also effectiveness flush. Tankless layout with the tiny and trendy features, saving area and also reduce flushing noise. Air filters maintain your bathroom smelling fresh. In the emergency situation of the electric leak, the plug will certainly vehicle shutdown, splash-proof, a completely variety, risk-free, and also reputable for everyday usage. Fantastic housewarming present for the brand new property owner, thoughtful gift for parents, family, and friends. it is a perfect present idea for the upcoming vacation. Number 2 in our list, VOVO STYLEMENT TCB090SA Smart Toilet. Automatic open/close cover connected with activity sensing unit for hassle-free and also sanitary usage. Automated dual flush smart seat sensor that discovers the individual to distinguish between little flush and big flush, providing the hands-free procedure. 1.6 GPF/1.0 GPF. Heated seat/warm water/warm air clothes dryer costs. Bidet includes self-cleaning stainless steel nozzle with automobile deodorization. Wireless remote controller/auto deodorization smart remote controller to do back, womanly, as well as turbo wash functions with auto deodorization. ECO-friendly layout lower toilet tissue and also water use with CUPC, CET loose certified clever commode. The top one in our list, Deer Valley DV1F026 Toilet. Modern typical one-item toilet streamlined ADA height design fashionable, good, wonderful, terrific lines perfectly appropriate for your modern layout washroom. The white bathroom polished surface is self-cleaning, simplifying upkeep. It is very convenient for cleaning. Elongated one-piece toilet skirted style, easier to keep versus a two-piece bathroom. An extremely reliable dual flush toilet enables you to proactively save water by picking 0.8 GPF or higher, 1.28 GPF, for harder jobs. Dual flush commode fully polished flush, super quiet, and also powerful flush with no obstructions. Leak proof. The bathroom is easily set up, it can much more convenient. 2 sizes of supply line inlet hose. This commode will certainly include a supply line port, adapter, for you to attach the supply line and commode. If your supply line dimension is 7 or 8 inch, you might directly attach your water line to the toilet. If your supply line size is 1 or 2 inch, please screw off the adapter, then link it. The package consists of commode, pre-installed soft closing toilet seat, pre-installed flush valve, high-quality wax ring, floor bolts, as well as likewise setup instructions. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best toilets amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.